Introducing Euro NCAP, the driving force behind continuous safety improvements in passenger vehicles. As technology and society evolve, so do Euro NCAP's rating requirements. In 2023, they've updated their safety testing protocol to include cutting-edge systems that prioritize safety for all road users. Today, we're excited to announce the first vehicles to achieve a 5-star rating under the new protocol, the NIO ET5 and EL7, two remarkable cars from the renowned Chinese manufacturer, NIO, now available in Europe. Safety is the cornerstone of Euro NCAP's rating system, encompassing passive safety, active safety, and post-crash rescue. Both NIO models scored high in passive safety, providing excellent protection for both the driver and passengers in various seating positions. But that's not all. NIO ET5 and EL7 also aced the brand new Euro NCAP active safety scenarios introduced in 2023. These advanced tests include car-to-motorcycle, car-to-car crossing, car-to-car head-on, dooring, and driver state monitoring. NIO demonstrated exceptional performance in most of these test cases, proving that their active safety technology is at the forefront of crash avoidance. How do they do it? NIO's advanced vehicles are equipped with a state-of-the-art eCall system, instantly alerting emergency services in case of an accident. Moreover, a cutting-edge brake application system reduces the risk of secondary collisions after an impact. And that's not all. NIO's vehicles are ready for the unexpected. In the unlikely event of submersion, their doors and windows remain functional long enough to allow occupants to escape. One of NIO's standout features is the ultra-long-range LIDAR sensor mounted on the roof of both cars. This next-generation sensor not only paves the way for automated driving but also enhances collision avoidance capabilities, contributing to NIO's high safety assist score. As safety technologies evolve, Euro NCAP is steadfast in its commitment to anticipating and adapting to these changes, ensuring that drivers and road users are offered the safest possible vehicles. Michiel van Ratingen, at Euro NCAP, safety is our passion. We'll continue to raise the bar, challenging manufacturers to strive for excellence in safety standards. So, what does this mean for you, the consumer? With the new and tougher rating system, being among the first cars tested might seem daunting. However, NIO has risen to the challenge and achieved 2 outstanding 5-star results, showcasing their commitment to safety. Rest assured, Euro NCAP is your trusted partner, ensuring that vehicles meet the highest safety standards, no matter how complex the technology becomes. Euro NCAP, making sure you're safe on the road today and tomorrow. NIO, safety, innovation, and your future on the road.